Live streaming. How to use our RTPM server to live stream. When you receive an email with the login to the dashboard, to the RTMP Server Control Panel, and then on where it says click here on the black arrow, it allows your stream service, and you have to take the information live streaming connection on top, and then the code for player. This is the important parts on this dashboard. Be sure to copy and paste the correct full RTPMP address. On the player code, there are a number of options, and then the geo IP stats, and you can see who's connecting. On top, where it says the black arrow, you can see the configuration, password, and all that. And then you can restart where it shows the black arrow to restart the server. At the bottom, you have the map, which you can paste if you want on your website to see who's connecting. And then you copy paste. And going back to the encoder, you have a number of options. The Go coder, for example, for mobiles, from Google Play or Apple. OBS is probably the most popular software for encoding. It is free and it is a very good professional system. And you just have to go to the settings, general, and then stream to get your connection update information, username and password. And then you can select the source, video files or live stream. You can connect even to your game player, and make sure that you get the correct bitrate, which depends on the package you bought from our website. The demo account is up to 640 kilobits. Always you should be a little bit lower, not up. The video and the audio together should be less than the one, 5–10% less than the one you bought the package for. And then on the HTML embed code, you can copy and then paste it on your website.